Hey there, we have a project today. We're going to do a fun beginner's bandsaw box. For those of you who have a bandsaw, wanted something cool to do with it, you haven't figured out what yet, we're going to take your basic bandsaw box that you can make with a twist. So keep watching and we'll get to it. Hey, Ray Ruthin here. Welcome back to the Woodcrafting Place, where we bring you woodworking knowledge and projects every week. That way you can make your time in the shop more efficient, more effective, and enjoy it more. Today we're doing a bandsaw box. Basic box for a beginner who hasn't done a lot of these yet. We're going to take it step by step, but with a twist. To give us a little challenge, we're going to make this box in an hour.
No way.
That's right. We will set the clock so that you can watch the real time. So you'll see it go from this to... And for those of you who want to see a detailed process of how this is done, you can go to the link down below to our website, where you'll find a detailed guide, for the beginner's guide, for exactly how to do the bandsaw box. We'll talk about materials, step-by-step process, and how you work through. You don't have to do it in an hour, but that's our goal. Okay, I'm going to give you a little tip in the event that you don't have a drum sander, you want to do it on the real cheap. If this is going to be your only bandsaw box, or you're not sure what you want to invest in, so you can use a simple dowel and some 1-inch strip of sandpaper. Simply use it by wrapping nice and tightly, edge to edge. And you can see here, keep it nice and tight. And if it's not so tight at the beginning, don't worry, you'll be able to snug it in. But just wrap it in. You could clamp it right in your vise, and you have yourself a nice drum sander. All right, all done. Beautiful little box here. No, we didn't come close to an hour, 2 hours. Well, doesn't matter, had a good time. If you haven't tried a bandsaw box, by all means, give it a try. So, if you liked what you saw today, make sure you hit the thumb and like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Let me know that you like the content and I'm bringing you the right stuff. So, don't forget, if you look down below in the links, I'll leave some links to materials, the bandsaw blade, and other stuff that I used. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here today, and we will see you again in the next video. Have a good day.